Ciao a tutti ragazzi, in this video I'm going to show you how you make those beautiful cannoli. You're going to need 60 grams of butter or 60 grams of vegetable fat, ragazzi. We're going to need 60 grams of sugar. You're going to need 3 grams of honey, ragazzi. We're going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 3 grams of salt, ragazzi, 2 egg yolks, 600 grams of flour. We're going to need 50 milliliters of red wine vinegar. We're going to need 100 milliliters of white wine. But ragazzi, I don't have a white wine, so I use a red wine. And 100 milliliters, ragazzi, of masala wine. And if you don't have a masala wine, you can use red wine instead. Alright, ragazzi, let's make the dough for the cannoli. First of all, we're going to put 600 grams of flour, like this, ragazzi. Then we're going to take the sugar, ragazzi, and put all in. Next, our honey. So basically, ragazzi, all the dry stuff. Next, your vegetable fat or your butter. Take in the salt. And last but not least, ragazzi, the cinnamon. Do it up, just mix it together, like this. Next, I got some honey on the table, doesn't really matter. Next, ragazzi, we're gonna go for the vanilla extract. We're gonna use the red wine vinegar, the red wine, and last but not least, the masala wine. You remember the eggs, right? You're only gonna need, for the cannoli mix, you're gonna need the egg yolks. The egg white, save it for later, ragazzi. We're gonna need it for the cannoli. So put this inside, and the funny part begins. We're gonna mix it, ragazzi, and it should build to a beautiful dough. And don't be scared to make your hands dirty, ragazzi. You don't. It's like you want to make love. When you want to make love with a beautiful woman, you think you're not gonna touch her? Come on, ragazzi. Come on. Mix it all together. You need to be in touch with the dough, ragazzi, with the creation that you made. And in case, ragazzi, you feel the dough is too dry, you can always put some more wine inside. Never wrong. You cannot go wrong with wine. Alright, ragazzi. Once your dough ball looks like this, we're gonna need it. Put it on another plate, ragazzi, just like this, and need a little bit more, just like this, to get it nice and even and smooth, ragazzi. And as always, use your hands. You're gonna use a stand mix as well, ragazzi, but why? We're gonna do it the traditional way. As you might see, I use this technique. It's a little bit difficult, but hey, it works. And as you may see, ragazzi, what I do is I create a line, and then I do this. I put the line like this and knead again. Probably some angry Italian's gonna tell me, "Ma vaffanculo, what you do?" Forgive me, Italians, I love you. Right? And as you must see, look, it's getting a little bit better with each time. And so you're gonna need until it's smooth as it can possibly get. After that, ragazzi, we're gonna put it back in. Once it's smooth, once you're happy, ragazzi, you can put in, you close it up, just like this. And put it in the fridge for 2 hours, maximum 2 hours. Even you can do it for 24 hours, ragazzi. Minimum 1 hour if you really like in a hurry, but 2 hours you need to give it, right? You need to be patient if you want to eat something good. Alright, ragazzi, once it looks almost like this, it could be a little bit finer, right? We're gonna do the mozzarella technique. When you take one hand, you're gonna do this, the other one, this. It's like you do it with pizza dough, ragazzi. You closing up this, and then see what you created, taking this like this and closing it up. Give it a little swirl like this, ragazzi, and slap it a little bit just for good luck. After this, I'm sorry, put it inside and close it up. And in the fridge for 2 hours. See after 2 hours, ragazzi, and we're gonna fry them. Alright, ragazzi, as you're waiting for the cannoli dough to get it done at 2 hours, we're gonna make the filling for the cannolis. Alright, ragazzi, let's begin. First of all, we're gonna put our ricotta inside. 500 grams, so half kilo, just like this. Put this away, ragazzi. It's gonna look good. Then we're gonna put the sugar, just like this, ragazzi, and the cinnamon, of course. You can use a hand mixer, ragazzi, but as I said, I like to work with my hands, if you know what I'm saying. Ragazzi, come on. Doing this. Now some nonnas in Sicily, ragazzi, they use it like a thing and they put the mozzarella into the mozzarella, so they put it through like a finer thing. They put the ricotta through like a fine thing and it's get like even finer and fluffier, ragazzi, but I don't have that at home, so I'm sorry to all Italians and nonnas in Sicily and all Italy. So we're gonna do this and you're gonna mix it, ragazzi, until it's like fine mixed and looking good. And some nonnas even, they do something that I think I want to do. Give me a second. They like it to put chocolate chips, but as I said, I don't have, so I'm gonna put some regular chocolate inside it, ragazzi. Look at my hands, huh? Anyways, just put a traditional sick and mix it up, ragazzi. Now what I like about the Italian cuisine, ragazzi, is that this is simple. They keep it simple, and this is the technique and the thing you need to do to get successful with the meals. The simple things in life keeps you happy, ragazzi. Once you make it complicated, this is when you not succeed. And this is why everyone loves Italian food. Come on. And if you agree with me, ragazzi, please put a thumbs up, huh? And maybe a subscribe, I don't know. So, this is pretty much done. It looks fluffy. It's well mixed. You can put your hands inside when you want to and see if you feel like any sugars, then you keep on mixing. If not, just enjoy it like this. Give it a taste, and wow, it tastes delicious. This was what the feeling, ragazzi. Easy, simple, and not too overcomplicated, huh? Come on. All right, ragazzi. So let's begin. So we're rolling it like, oh man, only if it's good stays at the place, ragazzi. I'm gonna do like this. So it cannot move. Like this. Like this, ragazzi. And if you ever wondered what this is only so the cooking dough can stay. Simply flip it, just like a pizza, just like this, ragazzi. And we're doing the same progress. If only this thing would stick to the table, would be really good. But well, we cannot have it all, can we, huh? The same. Cazzo fai. Like this. And again, flip it. It's not sticky, but I wish this thing would stick actually to the table, ragazzi. You see? Oh my god. I'm gonna do actually this. There we go. Sometimes you need to be, what can I say, ragazzi? You need to improve. Improvise. I don't know. And then we're doing this, ragazzi, and we're gonna do this. Because, there we go. Begin there. I'm gonna see once I get it done, ragazzi. Once it's done, ragazzi, and it looks almost like it is. It's still a little bit thick, but I think I can make it a little bit thinner. Once it looks like this, ragazzi, it's thin enough, I think. It's my first time doing this, ragazzi. Alright, ragazzi, once the dough looks like this, of course it's a little bit thick, but don't worry, ragazzi. We're gonna even make use of this. So now we're doing a cookie cut, ragazzi. We're doing just like this. Taking it out, ragazzi. And we're gonna have those oval shapes. You take a tube. Oh no, wait a second. No, you take them oval shapes, ragazzi, and you put them like here, like this. Again, cut, take the oval shape, ragazzi, and put it over the other. It's a little bit thick, but it's not too thick, ragazzi. I think it's quite a good. And another one, like this. And we repeat the process, ragazzi. Now, as you might see, ragazzi, there's still a lot of dough left. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fold it together and repeat the same progress, ragazzi. Like this, take the dough and stretch it out again, ragazzi, and make it even more. See you once I'm done. Alright, ragazzi, once you cut your cannoli dough in those kind of pieces, ragazzi, you're gonna take the egg white and you just do this. Just only the tip, ragazzi. Here as well, I need to expose it a little bit, just like this and like this. And brush only the tip. You will understand once we get there, ragazzi. Don't worry, I got you. I hope I'm not doing wrong. Like this. Just give it a little bit more and we're done. Then we're gonna take the cannoli pipes, take the dough ragazzi, we put it here, just like this, gently, and you're wrapping it all the way, just like this. And it should actually wrap around it. Give it a little bit. Yeah, it's supposed to touch each other, ragazzi. I might do it wrong. There we go. Like this, ragazzi, and put it in the somewhere else. Jesus. All right, and you repeat it with everyone else, the other ones as well, ragazzi. This, wrap it around, and you close it like this. And the last one, ragazzi, and we're done. Now it's gonna look like this, ragazzi. See you in my kitchen. All right, ragazzi, we put in the first cannoli inside this and let it cook. I'm gonna take it should be at 177, ragazzi, but I feel like at 140 the oil is beginning to get crazy, so I'm not gonna risk it, as you might hear. So I'm gonna be a little bit on the secure side of things. I don't know if you can see it or not, but this is how it's supposed to look, and you put it in and it's supposedly it doesn't open. If yes, I'm gonna be sad. It should cook till it get like golden brown, ragazzi. But once they're done, ragazzi, I'm gonna show you the first one. 140 Celsius. Again, this cold brown, you see, ragazzi? Alright, ragazzi, this is how it's supposed to look. Cold brown, nothing too crazy. Now we take the next one, ragazzi. Now we can put two inside, ragazzi, at the same time to make the progress faster. See you once it's done, ragazzi. Alright, ragazzi, as you might see, we got this patch here, this one here, and that's the last three. Yeah, they got that nutty brown color, ragazzi. If they look like this, they are done. Just shake them a little bit off, ragazzi. Not the shaking you're thinking about. Don't be dirty-minded, ragazzi. Come on, they got a little bit burned there, but it doesn't matter. Let's give it a little flair and color to it. I'm gonna put them here, and the last and not least, check it out. Looking quite good to me. A little bit more amore. You see, it rhymed, ragazzi. They're not the perfect cannoli, but I think they're good enough for the first time I made them. I should have made the dough a little bit thinner, but ragazzi, you cannot have it all, can you? Dry it off, turn off the heat, and put you right there. We're done, ragazzi. First patch, another patch. Well, I cannot complain. See you at my table, ragazzi, where I gonna make the filling and put in decoration. Alright, ragazzi, once the cannoli cooled down a little bit, ragazzi, what you're gonna do, you're gonna take them and try to move out just like this. And take this one, just put it right there and gently. If it doesn't go, keep it some time. Okay, that doesn't move. Oh, my cazzo. Just like this. And put them back. I'm gonna repeat the process, ragazzi, till I'm done. So, like this, ragazzi, now I'm gonna let them cool down, and then I'm gonna do the filling and decoration. Alright, ragazzi, as the cannoli cooled down and they are cold, we're gonna take our filling and start to fill them up. Now, there's a way, ragazzi, to do it. You need to go as deep as you can go and press till you get like to the bottom, right here. Then you go back. So, you might say, ragazzi, go as deep as you can go. Press, and like this. Now, a little bit more maybe. Then, choice is yours. Take it like this, ragazzi. One in the chocolate and one in the pistachios. And it's gonna look like this. Look at how good this looks. Maybe a little bit chocolate. Like this. Come on. Looking not too bad. You're gonna put them like there. And keep on going, ragazzi. The same thing here. Once again, all the way in. Like this. The same ply. As you might see, ragazzi. See? Try the same thing here. And as well, now we're gonna go for this one here. Hazelnuts and some chocolate, ragazzi. Like this. See when I'm done. And last but not least, ragazzi. And we're done. Ragazzi, the final touch. Now comes the final touch, ragazzi. And cannoli sta done, ragazzi. Look at this. Come on, so beautiful. Okay, you cannot resist. And now, ragazzi, comes the funniest part of them all. Let's try one and see how it tastes, right? Let's choose, I think I'm gonna go for the hazelnuts and the chocolate. The crispiness, the sweet, the cream. Come on, you cannot beat this. With this one said, ragazzi, I'm gonna get the heck out of here. My name is Casa la Cucina. I'm freaking out here. Ciao.